Howdy ho, welcome back to Late Night Tool Catechism. Today we're going to do some shaky camera and we're going to try out. This is the Hercules impact rated screw extractor set. Got a bolt broke off in the air and snow throw, and we're going to see if this works for that. You see I got the kit open here. There are 3 sizes. I'm going to be taking out a quarter, so I am going to try the number 2 chucked up in the impact driver there, and they actually chuck right up in the driver. Hide here. Impact in reverse. Give it a center punch. It's walking a lot. We'll see if this helps any. Okay, get a nice center punch there. Just walking around a lot. I'm going to give it a little, hopefully pilot hole to work with here maybe. See if we can hammer it out. And there we are. Now, I think to remove that, I wonder if I can just put it into forward and give it a zip. Haha. Look at that. Well, it wasn't absolutely perfect. Drilling a pilot hole seemed to help with the walking. The punch didn't help, but overall, not a bad little tool. Hopefully it'll be come in handy around the workshop here. Thanks for watching. Like and follow. Talk to you later. Good luck in the workshop.